guys stay with me. There's only a few minutes left in class, and we're almost ready to go. Last chance for any questions. Anything? Yeah, Sid.
I know it makes sense for I know it makes sense that earlier we talked about how just like there's the invisible number.
Yeah.
Why would the invisible number be 10 for log?
So it's just, they call it the common log. Basically the reason is because we count in a base 10 system. Keegan, can you put your phone over here? Thank you. Just anywhere on the counter. We count in a or a 10 base system. So like every 10 digits, we go up a place, right?
Oh.
Anywhere, yeah.
So
Okay.
sort of like when you deal with the decimal system.
Exactly. So because we count in that's why the base 10 is used, and so they just call it the common log because it's used. But it's actually not a very common log used, even though that's its name. Because the only reason to use that base would be to change to a different counting thing. Like how would it be weird would it be if we counted in a base 3 system? So it would be like 1, 2, 3, and then R4 would actually be like 11. That's a base 3 counting system, right? Because we have a base 10 counting system. So every time we count to 10, we go up a place, right?
Oh.
So 8, 9, 10, but then it's 18, 19, 20, right? But if we were in a base 3 system, we would only count to 3 before we go up a place. 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, 21, 22, 23. Does that make sense? Yeah, super weird, right? But it's because we're used to the base 10, and we started doing that because of our digits, right?
Kind of reminds me of like the 3 zeros and then a comma. And
Yeah. Why we decided to do that. Honestly, I'd love to keep explaining this and talking about it because Summer's a big nerd, and I think math is beautiful and fun. But we've got about 5 minutes and one more quick concept to get through. Can I move on? Okay. We're actually going to not do these because I don't think we need to. But let's talk about this one. 2 to the x equals 5. First of all, it's not a nice number, right? So I don't need you to know it, but we are going to talk about how to approximate it, okay? Tell me a nice exponent close to 5. 2. Because 2 squared is 4. Now that's below the 5, right? Can you give me another nice one above the 5? 3. Because 2 cubed is 8. So all I care about is if you can tell me between what 2 whole numbers it's going to be between and which one it'll be closer to. It will be closer to 4. Well, careful. It'll be closer to 2 because 5 is closer to 4. You with me? Okay, so because 5 is in the middle of 4 and 8, I know x is between 2 and 3.
I feel like it would be really close though.
Closer to 2.
2.1.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, give me a whole number close to 15 that I know 4 is going to go into.
4 and here, so 2. 4 and 4 is 6.
Okay, so 4 squared is 16. Now, do I want a bigger one than 16 to wrap around the 15? No, I want a lower one. So I'm going to do 4 to the first is 4. So I know x is between 1 and 2. Which one's it closer to?
2.
Good.
Is there a shorthand to write this that we're going to learn in a second?
Nope.
Just a sentence?
Yep.
All right, then.
I am going to want you guys to try... I want you to try 4, 5, and 6 down here. And I'm going to walk around with your homework packet. And if I like your answers, I'm going to give you a homework packet. Good? Sound good? You are?
What if you don't like our
Yeah.
answers? Then we just
Oh, I just mean once you get the right answer, I'll give you the homework packet until the bell rings. Then I'll give everyone the homework packet. Okay. Yeah.
so if we get it wrong, we don't get.
No, that's not what I meant, Nathan. Okay.
See, that's what I.
For if you're watching this online, I'm writing the answers right now, and I'm just gonna circle the one the thing is closer to, so you can check your answers.
Oh, we're back.
Okay.